Jai Gurudev. Today we are in Block 5 Shapes Around Me. Lesson Plan 5.1 Language Time and 5.2 Theme Time. Children, today I'll read you a story. Take content book Phonics Fun. Children, take page number 18. Children, look at this. What letter is this? Already in the last class we learned this letter, right? What letter is this? Yes, very good. This is letter T. This is uppercase letter T and this is lowercase letter T. Children, what is the sound of letter T? T, 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 T. Today I'll read you T letter story, Toby and the Tap. Which rule do we need to follow when I read a story? We need to watch and listen carefully. Okay. Toby the tiger came home after playing tennis. Children, what was the name of this tiger? He was Toby. Toby the tiger came home after playing tennis. He was feeling hot and tired. Toby was feeling hot and tired. He went to the kitchen. Toby went to the kitchen. He turned on the tap and drank some water. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a tap. Toby turned on the tap and drank some water. Then Toby turned off the tap and went out. Soon he heard the sound t, 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 t. What is that sound? He said. He went back to the kitchen. Toby went back to the kitchen. He saw that the water was dripping from the tap. T, 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 t. Children, what was that sound? The water was dripping from the tap. It was the sound of water dripping from the tap. What was that sound? T, 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 t. He tried to turn off the tap. Toby tried to turn off the tap, but it kept dripping. T, 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 t. So he put a tub under the tap. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a tub. He put a tub under the tap. He called Tinku the plumber. He said, "Please come quickly. The tap is dripping." T, 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 t. Tinku the plumber came with his toolbox. He fixed the tap. Children, who fixed the tap? Tinku fixed the tap. Who was Tinku? He was a plumber. So he fixed the tap. Toby said the tap was dripping. T, 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 t. You fixed it. Thanks. Children, pretend to turn off the tap like Toby and say t, 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 t. Children, shall we recall T letter words? T, tiger. T, tennis racket. T, towel. T, tap. T, telephone. T, tub. Children, we'll see T letter rhyme. Toby tiger took a sip and Toby's tap went drip, drip, drip. T, t, t. When the water drops, Toby couldn't make them stop. Tinku knows just what to do. Tinku's fixed a tap or two. Tinku fixes taps all summer because Tinku is a plumber. Children, shall we sing the rhyme with music?
Toby Tiger took a sip and Toby's tap went drip, drip, drip. Tut, 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 when the water drops, Toby couldn't make them stop. Tinku knows just what to do. Tinku's fixed a tap or two. Tinku fixes taps all summer because Tinku is a plumber. Toby Tiger took a sip and Toby's tap went drip, drip, drip. Tut, 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 when the water drops, Toby couldn't make them stop. Tinku knows just what to do. Tinku's fixed a tap or two. Tinku fixes taps all summer because Tinku is a plumber.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, children. Bye.